So do you ever wonder how you play old records? Like from a gramophone? If you're clever, you make your own gramophone to play them. So I did that. Look at that. I made this part, this whole thing, and then put it on a cone. And then the way you play it is you put it in a drill. Are you ready to hear it?
Nothing but bluebirds all day long. Everybody's happy as a bird. All the days are hurrying by when you love my heart flies. Little days, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies.
Well, that's what I did, because I get bored and I'm weird, I guess. Okay, I hope that went well with everybody.